Frequency tables gives a way to organize number of occurrences from each category. If the variable is quantitative and continuous, then we may have to divide the data range into subintervals, so we have better picture of overall data pattern. There's no universal rule to do that. If you choose too many intervals, you will lose the usefulness of frequency table. If you choose few intervals, then again you may not be able to see the pattern of the data distribution. Now, some people use a Sturgis rule to decide number of classes and class width. This is that rule. Some people use this. You can, if you like, you can use it. Now, when the variable is quantitative and continuous, you can use frequency table to construct a histogram. In today's world, we use software to get histograms. You should be aware about the distinction between bar charts and histograms. Now, bar charts are for categorical variables. Histograms are for quantitative continuous variables. One useful feature of histogram is it can reveal the shape of underlying probability distribution. Depending on the data set, we can categorize histograms as unimodal, bimodal, or multimodal. Also, we can categorize them as symmetric, skew to the right, skew to the left. For example, if you look at the distribution of household income in US for 2014, now this is skew to the right. This here is you have the histogram, and this is the distribution pattern. So it's skewed to the right. Now here is something interesting. The 10th percentile, this is the percentiles, 10th percentile, 50th percentile or median, 90th percentile, and 95th percentile. Now the 10th percentile, that means 10% of people get less than $12,300 of annual income, and median, or 50% of people get less than $53,700 income. So now you may not see the actual importance of these percentiles and histograms, but let's see about this one. Here it says 10% of people get less than 12,000. So if you go to the population, US population is almost 326 millions. So that mean out of 10% of that mean what? Let's calculate. So so 326 million divide by 10, because it's 10%, so you can multiply by 0.1 or you can just divide by 10. So this is almost 32.6 million. So 32.6 million people get income less than 12,000. So that's a pretty significant number. So anyway, you can see the distribution is skewed to the right. Now, how do I know it's skewed right? Because the tail, this one is we call as tail, it's in right hand side. Now, if you look at the life expectancy or the age at death, that variable is skewed to the left. More people die at old age nowadays because of the improvement in healthcare. Less people die in the young age, more people die in the old age. So this distribution is skewed to the left because the tail is in left hand side.